the cell membrane of a typical cell. For each of the four major tissues types, how does the epidermis of the skin receive nutrients? Define homeostasis and give a detailed explanation. Plasma membrane of the cell membrane is an absolute requirement for all living organisms, as his responsibility for relationship of a cell with outside world. Cell membrane is composed of lipids that are arranged in a bilayer. These lipids are arranged in the membrane with their polar heads toward the outer side and hydrophobic nonpolar toward the inner sheath. The cell membrane also consists of proteins and carbohydrates. The relation of protein and lipids varies considerably and different types of cells. The fluid nature of the membrane is important from the point of view of functions of cell growth, intercellular junction formation, secretion, endocytosis, cell division. Plasma proteins allow transport of molecules across the membrane. The membrane is selectively permeable to some molecules either side. The passage of substances across the membrane can occur by diffusion, facilitate diffusion, and active transport. There are four major types of tissues found in the human body. They are epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous. Epithelial tissue. This type of tissue has a free surface that faces either outside or towards the body tissue and provides a covering for the part of the body. The tissue is of two types. First, simple epithelium composed of a single layer of cells and function has a lining of body cavities like and tubes. Second, compound epithelium has two or more layers and has a protective function as in its skin. Homeostasis means the tendency for relatively stable equilibrium that exists between two or more independent elements, especially as maintenance and psychological processes. Homeostasis, maintenance in the body are mostly based on negative feedback mechanisms, thermoregulation is the body's ability to maintain a relatively constant temperature. Thank you.